Hello, Alva. You've come on a very special day. My favoriteest Uli day of the Uli year. It's Spring-a-Ding!
Spring-a-Ding?
It's the most wonderful day in Gizmo when flowers bloom all at once in a spectacular display of floweriness.
Ooh.
We're gonna set these pots all over the plaza. And when everyone's gathered, I will sing this year's special Spring-a-Ding magical song.
Magical song?
Yes, every year I come up with a brand new one. As I sing it to the pots, the song tickles the flower seeds awake, and they blossom into floweriness all at once.
Wow! You can make flowers grow with a song? Can you sing it now?
Oh, well, you see, it's a secret song. Otherwise, someone else might sing it, and the flowers would pop up at the wrong time and spoil Spring-a-Ding for everyone.
Gotcha.
But to be honest, I'm bursting to sing it. It's so catchy.
Did you hear that? A secret magical song that he's just bursting to sing, huh?
I really want to sing that secret song.
And troll trample all over Spring-a-Ding, spoiling it for everyone.
I'm just waiting for Uli Pop to arrive. Then we're off to pick up the Spring-a-Ding ceremonial vase. And after that, we'll set up the pots on the plaza.
Uli, hi!
Hi, Uli Pom.
Wow, look at the blobbos. Blip blop blippity. The blobbos are quite excited about Spring-a-Ding.
Not as excited as I am. You see, I've come up with the catchiest secret Spring-a-Ding song ever heard. Wanna hear it?
Love to, but didn't you just say it's a secret song? And you should only sing it at the ceremony?
Oh, yes. Yes, you're right, of course.
Oh, he almost sang it.
But all he needs is a little extra encouragement. Then I'm sure he'll sing like a cannoli bird.
I love a good street performance.
Oh, there's nothing more we humble street performers would love to do than sing a glorious song.
Thing is, we couldn't come up with one. Certainly not one good enough for Spring-a-Ding.
Yes, and it's made us really glamadam.
Blue. Zoomy, bloomy, flowery, oomy, sweetie, scenty, ornamenty.
Zoomy, bloomy, flowery, oomy.
Sweetie, scenty, ornamenty.
Is that your secret song, Mayor Garth?
Yes, isn't it wonderful?
Well, yes, it is. But should you have sung it to the street performers?
Oh, yes. I mean, no, I shouldn't have. Oh, but I couldn't keep it in any longer. Oh, I'm so glad you like my song, but you really must keep it to yourselves. You see, it's actually a secret magical song.
Oh, we'll keep it to ourselves.
Right.
No, we won't.
Zip it.
I mean, yes, we will.
Phew.
Doopy-doo, doopy-doo.